special ones that you get from doing portal.
What the hell? That looks so cool. Too bad it's shit. It's hot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's trash.
Stats on that.
The
Throw it on
stats.
pump shotgun for laughs.
What? You can put it on the pump shotty? That's so cool.
I think so.
What the hell?
Which one is that?
It's called the forward mount laser. Oh, that looks so fucking cool.
At least you're not losing too much with a pump shotgun.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's MDfashionco.collectibles here, and today we're going to be talking about the forward mount laser, reviewing it, a laser sight on the pulse rifle. It looks so cool, but is it good in competitive play? Well, we're going to get into it, but first, roll the intro. He had a dream to play Aliens Fire Team. He collects themes. He's got high self-esteem. He's credible. He's unforgettable. He's commendable. He's MDfashionco.collectibles. Okay? I was looking through the new attachments and I found this one. It's so darn cool. A laser sight on the pulse rifle? That's always gonna be cool. So what does it do? Well, it increases handling, which is essentially hip firing, I believe. And handling, the thing about hip firing is, it's not very good on a gun that isn't the shotgun. But even the shotgun, you should be quick scoping to get a tighter spread. So yeah, I think this attachment is not very competitively viable. However, a lot of things in Aliens Fireteam Elite look very cool, but they aren't particularly good. An example here is the smart gun, of course, that I'm playing here. The smart gun looks cool, as always, but it's not very good. I find that when I use the smart gun, it's literally worse than the shotgun, obviously. I dare say it's even worse than the pulse rifle.
I'll watch the front, you guys watch behind.
The demo does not have enough damage without its abilities. Because these other classes, like even a tech has a shotgun. Without his abilities, the tech is still doing more damage than the demo. How does that work? The demo is essentially a walking queue. Everything else is like, except against pathogen, like just against regular Xenos, everything else is just like, it's kind of worthless. We need a heavy gun for the demo that is a shotgun, like an auto shotgun that just rips things apart. We need that for the demo for sure, because unfortunately right now all the demo, and I'm just playing for fun, right? That's why I'm playing with the pulse rifle, because you know, playing with a pulse rifle and smart gun, that's a Vasgas loadout. And also with a laser sight, sometimes you just want to play this game and just look cool. But when I do that, I play on extreme. I might even play on insane if my teammates are up to scratch. But when you're playing these harder difficulties, something a lot of boys got to know is, when you're playing the harder difficulties, I'm talking coming out the damn walls, I'm talking insane horde, insane point defense, you can't afford to play a class like demo. Well, you could afford to play a class like demo if the other two teammates are ridiculously pro and you are ridiculously pro yourself, but most of the time, you can't afford to play a class like demo, and damn near we weren't even playing a recon. We're playing Extreme, 4-3, and we don't have a recon. Sounds pretty crap to me, but then again, it's all good because we are pro players. Well, I am a pro player. I can't speak for these other boys, but we definitely got through it. So yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all boys think of the laser sight in Aliens Fireteam Elite. I think this attachment is freaking cool. I think it's a great addition. I don't think it's very good at all, because you just don't hip fire much in this game. Like, in theory, you do hip fire, right? In theory. But in practice, when I'm really playing on top of my game, you'll see when I have the shotgun, I'm quick scoping it. That's what I'm doing. I'm quickly zooming in. Like quick zoom in to get the accuracy boost, then pop and then go back out so I can see more. And then zoom in, pop out. Right? So the handling doesn't really mean anything. But let me know in the comments if I've got handling wrong. From what I understand, handling is hip firing. Right? It would make total sense that this laser sight would be a hip firing beast. Let me know in the comments, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what else do I want to say about Aliens Fireteam Elite? Well, I like the game. It's a very fun game, and I think 4-3 is actually one of the best missions in the game, if not the best mission in the game, because you're in the hive. It's done. It's a very honest rendition, ending with a queen chase that's just exhilarating. I love it. You know, let me talk about, since I got y'all here, let me talk about something that a lot of boys say. A lot of boys say, I used it to beat the insane campaign, so it must be good. Y'all boys have not been watching MDfashionco collectible videos. Let me bring up the graph here for y'all boys. The campaign on Insane is the second from the bottom. There's a lot more difficult stuff to do in Aliens Fireteam Elite than the campaign on Insane. Especially since the campaign has been very solved, right? It's been solved. And a lot of boys just don't acknowledge that, or they just don't know what's hard in the game, or they just don't care. I think a lot of these boys just don't care, and they say these silly things, knowing they're wrong, just to, I guess, troll. But yeah, the campaign on Insane, saying you beat something with a campaign on Insane does not mean it's good at all, right? It works, but so does pooing in your hand and then throwing it in the toilet, as opposed to sitting on the toilet and pooing. That works, but it doesn't mean it's good. It doesn't mean there isn't a better way to do it. And a lot of these boys just don't want to play the best way to do it. Whereas the best way, as we know, is Gunna Gunna Recon, because you can use Gunna Gunna Recon with pro players, I mean. You can use Gunna Gunna Recon to beat 4-3 on Beautiful Butterflies. So if you can do it on Beautiful Butterflies, a challenge card that is a lot more challenging than what we're doing right now on 4-3, then you can surely do 4-3 on Insane or Extreme. Sorry, I'm yawning because I had a very long day. But it was a great day. I ran around the lake in the jungle. I was in the jungle, and there's a national park, and I ran around the lake. So it was a great day, an active day, and I also played this game of Aliens Fireteam Elite today. So shout out the wilderness. But a lot of these boys, say, and the same boy that just died just then, right? This boy was just not trying, honestly. He was saying like, oh, I beat the Insane campaign with Phalanx and we actually did really good. And it's like, I'm not saying you didn't do really good with Phalanx, but it's not the best. It's not even by, compared to Gunna Gunna Recon, the damage. I wish boys would just do the maths. I can do the maths just intuitively in my head because I play this game a lot. Right? But if we really put the numbers down, the numbers of the damage output of 2 gunners and a recon, and the only reason it's 2 gunners and a recon is because 3 gunners would run out of ammo due to the overclock. Using too much ammo for all of them. But Gunna Gunna Recon, the damage is just better than everything else. Every other variant of team comp. The damage is just better. I'm trying to think of one that... Because I'm doing hella damage on the demo right now, but that's because my Q is doing the splash, and these boys ain't doing, you know, that much damage. But if when I play with a pro player like Sunny, for example, he plays the dock and does insane amounts of damage on the dock, right? Way more than my technician. So what's going on here? It's just that Sunny is a pro player and hitting all of his shots on the weak point, right? And if you can hit all your shots on the weak point, then there's no reason to not play Gunner. Well, if you want to play pro play in Aliens Fireteam Elite. Look at how much damage my rockets did to those prowlers. That was ridiculous. It tore them apart. So let me know what you think. I'm enjoying playing Aliens Fireteam Elite. As always, I love this game. Cool, badass game. Cool, badass skins, as you can see. and just a cool badass time. A state of the badass art, as Hudson would say. Rest in peace. And let me know what y'all boys think of this. Should I let the rest of this video run through? Yes, I should. Enjoy the comms of this run. Just an extreme run, 4-3. Good fun, good fun. This ain't easy, but it's pretty easy for most people. Pretty easy. But 4-3 at the end, that ain't a cakewalk. And also, I'm playing the demo, so if I was playing the gunner, I would be doing a lot more damage. But again, I'm playing for fun. I can play for fun too, boys. I can play for fun too. And I love Aliens Fireteam Elite just as much as the next guy. Unless the next guy does not like Aliens Fireteam Elite. But, you know, I like playing the demo. Demo's fun. But is he better than the gunner? I don't think so, because the damage just simply isn't there. Anyway, we'll see how the game develops. It's okay that the gunner is the best class in the game. It's okay to say that, ladies and gentlemen. It's not, you know, you're not weak by saying the gunner is the best class in the game. Come on, boys. It's the best class in the game. And this is Aliens. It's not like the doc is the best class in the game and it's Aliens. Because the doc isn't a huge part of the film Aliens. But the gunner is a huge part of Aliens. The gunner is what the aliens, the mains, like that's what Hicks is. Hicks is a gunner. Hudson is probably a tech, right? But you dig what I'm saying here. You know, Vasquez is a smart gunner, but Hicks is the gunner. We want to be the gunner in Aliens Fireteam Elite. It makes total sense that the gunner is the best class in the game. And I love playing the demo. I love playing the game and having fun. It is a lot of fun playing the different classes. But when it comes down to pro play, when you absolutely positively have to kill every MF in the room, except no substitute, it is the gunner. Alright, let me know what y'all boys think about that in the comments below, and I'm gonna let the rest of this gameplay run because we got some comms, we got some good stuff. Pro play in Aliens Fireteam Elite, me playing the demo with a pulse rifle with a laser sight and a smart gun. Sounds like a wet dream for an Aliens fan like me. Join the Steam group and Discord group below, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see y'all boys later. Goodbye.
I'll trigger the hordes in the front. You guys just stay back here.
Bugs turn this room into a maze. Be ready.
Rearm me. I'm just gonna spam my smart gun.
Oh shit, we don't have a recon.
Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Fine. Good being all the way back here. Good damage.
Very nice.
Right, I'm gonna get ammo and then run back so you guys can go get ammo. So you guys go get ammo. And then I'll go run forward. Since I have the E to push it back.
Patching up.
Get back with Rexus. Yep.
Rearm me.
Right.
Ready to go.
Oh, those eggs are spooky. Alright, let's go. Back up. Back up. Good damage on the drone. Nice. Move forward, and we gotta clear out all the eggs.
Patching up.
Do we still need this room?
Nah, we don't.
There might be. There's a second boss, right?
No, we already got it. It was a drone.
Oh, okay. Well, sometimes there's like two.
Packing up.
Sentry gun ready. Grabbing ammo.
Oh, we got a face hugger coming.
Aid kits here.
Okay.
Grabbing ammo.
Slippery little bugger. Right, boxes over here. So we're gonna have to clear out all these. Nice. Ooh, I got a cryo. Awesome. It's gonna be very.
Gun and vulnerability drone.
That's gonna be very helpful. We need 4 vulnerability drones, no more than that.
Yeah, we have 4.
Yeah, awesome. That's alright. We can hold him at the elevator as long as there's no prowlers.
Sentry deployed.
The aux elevator. Get it powered up. After you start the overload, this will be your evac route. Now we blow this place. Final
watch
briefing
behind.
in the core.
Wow, they're super far behind. Maybe you guys deal with that. I'll just shoot the front. Because I have the rockets.
Haven't seen cocoons since. This is why we hunt Xenos. Remember that. Some are life forms from LV-895, brought up by Cynthia.
Ooh, got a prowler.
Are we pulling to this room?
Yeah. Getting fucked. I'm gonna go get some ammo. Be right back. You guys can go forward and trigger it, because you can fall back all the way here. Oh shit.
You got a back spot.
Awesome, I can hip fire with my pulse rifle. Not that I would need to. Yep. Who's that? It's a crusher, isn't it? Alright, let's stand at the top of the stairs and we can shoot him. Yeah, but pop overclock when he gets into the room. So we can all get a clear shot. Good stick. Good stick. You know what? I'm gonna aim here. I'm gonna aim here. I'll trigger the next. good.
Praetorian, heading your way!
We're gonna E him when he gets into the room. Yeah, he got stunned.
Process controls the next room. End game. Prep while we brief you. Fire team, this is Colonel Ship. There are 3 systems you'll disable. Esther will guide you through the process.
Alright, we should have
When all
2
3 systems are
cryos
down, the reactor will build
at all time. So 2 cryos down at all times. How many cryos do you boys
Vaya
have?
con Dios, kids.
I have
3.
5.
Make me proud.
3.
Oh, we have plenty.
Is do you alternate the cryos or do you have them on all the time?
On all the time.
Oh,
Yeah. I beat this on with beautiful butterflies.
Rearm.
On
Yeah,
insane. You saw that? Yeah.
yeah.
But we
So
don't
you
have.
guys are alternating cryos.
No, we
After you
weren't.
walk
We
on
actually
that table,
weren't.
you'll
We
use
had.
by a different
Here, I'll
route.
show you. So we had one here, right, and then one
Yeah.
I am
close
analyzing the
here,
control systems.
and then also
Yeah.
one up here.
Oh, I see. And then you always have to have 2
Please
on,
reroute
right?
the coolant
Yes.
away from the refinery core.
And then I use the static at the top just to get them, because it's more critical when they're here.
You see this?
You guys ready?
Deployed.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Now we're talking.
Now, be aware of ammo.
Gun ready.
Firing!
So I'll stay on the right. Yep, nice drones. And you have 3 more drones, right? So what you should do is use drones at 90 seconds. You know? Don't use them at 100.
Oh,
Yeah, because they only last for... See, they're not even gonna pop our drone there. Oh, this drone did, ironically. Oh, no, he won't. No, he won't.
Put them in a crossfire!
Yes. Go back to hell. On the roof. Okay, so this... There goes our... Right, so I'm gonna run up and pop a static. Because I have it. And we all have to run because we don't got the ammo. So we're gonna have to all run.
Another way!
When he hits his cryo at the bottom, I'm gonna flip him back. Watch out for the spitter.
Please.
Right, let's push back and get
Power
ammo.
regulator. Activate all systems. Full draw.
We need that ammo.
Grabbing ammo.
Rearm. 8 hits here.
Yep, keep the cryos up. Awesome.
Go back to hell!
Go back to hell. Alright, so now we have 2 cryos.
I got 2.
Yep, so you know where to put them, right? Exactly where they are. Just watch and... Yeah, I got 3 left. Look at this burster to the right.
Okay, moving up to put a flamethrower.
Yep. Yeah, good, cryo. I mean, he's not a danger, so... But now he's good. Nice. Okay, I'll put a cryo here. I have 2 cryos. How many do you guys have?
6.
Okay. Nice. You have 6 cryos.
I got 3.
Yeah.
What the hell? Let's start placing them. Like, just run up to the stairs and place them.
It keeps staying in place. Oh, I know. You just keep staying in place.
Yes, but you place them. Like, there's one right now close to us. You should place. We're gonna kill this spitter too. This spitter's gonna fuck us up. We'll just wait here until we get... Alright, place the cryos.
I hate placing 2 of them when people are like, I'm placing, you go for it.
No, but if you
One
can't,
down.
then place it on the top of the stairs. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I think that's a new one, isn't it? Yeah, that's a brand new one on top of the stairs.
Yeah, cool. But you have 6, and the thing is about to be done. Alright, so can you guys walk up and protect me while I...
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
Just just drop them. Whoa. There you go. Look at all of them. That's good. I'm gonna place my last one here.
Still, I've only placed 1, that's what I'm saying. There's that many there.
Yes, but soon I have none left, so you're gonna start having to do that.
But
Oh yeah, use the last drone, by the way. Honestly, let's use pistols. Everybody use pistols for this wave. Use pistols. Like, because we need ammo. So,
Got 1 cryo left. I think we're good.
yeah. But, yeah, use pistols until the heavy comes. When he gets closer, I'm the E. I have an E.
Please input override code
Alright, let's all run as a group. So get on me, and then protect me while I do this, and then run as a group. As a group, let's go. I'm gonna queue the front. Is everybody here? Awesome. Ah, the eggs. There we go. Nice. Alright, now I need to save up my Q and my E.
We're in the clear.
Just for the top. Just for the top.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Get away from her, you bitch!
Sentry's ready to go.
Buckle in, shore
Well
party.
played.
We're burning to escape the
shot you.
rescatter.
I saw that.
That'll be funny if that's the only friendly fire I got all game.
Oh, y'all turn up right now.
If you join the Patreon for $2.50 a month, you get a shout out on the videos and get to go to the Discord channel with the pros. Boys can't comment in or can't chat in unless they part of the Patreon thing. So look down below for the link and tell me what you think, boy.